welcome back. In today's video I'll be uploading the walk tour of Piccadilly Circus area and the Trafalgar Square. This video is related to last week's video in which we had our hop and hop off tour of London. While we were on tour, we hop off at Piccadilly Circus area and stroll around the area of Piccadilly Circus and Trafalgar Square. I hope you will enjoy it.
So we are here at the Piccadilly Circus. Piccadilly Circus is famous for its large, bright electronic billboards which illuminate the square. You can see on the screen the Shaftesbury Memorial Fountain. This landmark is often called Eros, but is actually a tribute to Lord Shaftesbury and depicts his son Anteros. Piccadilly Circus is a major intersection connecting streets like Regent Street, Piccadilly and Shaftesbury Avenue. Piccadilly Circus station on the underground is notable for being the first station with ticket office. Historically, the area was originally named Regent Circus in 19th century and was later renamed after Shaftesbury Avenue was built.
We are now walking towards Trafalgar Square. बिल्कुल कुत्ते ही फैमिली मेंबर हैं, इंसान तो नहीं है.
This Crimean War Memorial was unveiled in 1861. This bronze memorial featuring 3 guardsmen commemorates the Crimean War. On our right is the Kazakhstan House. That's the embassy of Kazakhstan. So we are almost there at the Trafalgar Square. Trafalgar Square is a public square in London named for the Battle of Trafalgar, a British naval victory in Napoleonic Wars. Originally the site of King's Mews. The square was completed in 1844 and features Nelson's Column, flanked by lions with the National Gallery on its north side. Today it is a popular public gathering place, a major tourist attraction and a site for protest and celebrations. Nelson's Column was built to commemorate the British Royal Navy officer Horatio Nelson's decisive victory at the Battle of Trafalgar over the combined French and Spanish navies. The monument was constructed between 1840 and 1843 and is designed by William Railton. There are 4 lion statues in Trafalgar Square. These bronze lions, known as the Landseer Lions, guard the base of Nelson's Column. Trafalgar Square is a major tourist destination visited by approximately 15 million people annually. It is a popular site for community gatherings, political demonstrations, and celebrations for events like Chinese New Year.
These are the lines.
The current fountains were installed in 1948, replacing original fountains designed by Sir Charles Barry. Those original fountains were gifted to Canada and are now in its capital, Ottawa. So, guys, that was our walk stroll of Piccadilly Circus area and the Trafalgar Square. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Do consider subscribing the channel and share it as well.
We are at the Charing Cross station. Let's go. चलो आ जाओ. ये है चेरिंग क्रॉस स्टेशन. लेफ्ट साइड में.
We are on our way to the nearest hop and hop off bus stop so that we can catch the bus and go back to our hotel.
नहीं. क्रॉस. ये कौन सी आ रही है? सिटी.
Guys, we will conclude the video here.
Please like and subscribe our channel. Also press the bell icon so